the hidden story behind money. The 7 codes that will transform your financial life. Since the beginning of time, money has been much more than just something to trade with. It's power, influence, and a tool that can shape realities. But did you know that there are hidden principles that determine who prospers and who gets stuck in mediocrity? These are the codes of money. Secrets closely guarded by those who have learned to master it. Today, you are about to uncover them. Part 1. The secret they never wanted you to know. Have you ever wondered why schools don't teach you how to manage money? It's simple. The system is not designed to create free people, but obedient followers. Those who understand these codes manage to accumulate wealth with almost magical precision, while the rest are trapped in an endless cycle of debt and sacrifice. The first code is the most crucial. Money responds to a mentality of abundance. This is not an empty mantra, it is an unshakable truth. Money, like energy, gravitates towards those who know how to attract and manage it. If you think of scarcity, you will attract more lack. But if you operate from a mindset of abundance, your reality will change. And how do you achieve this mindset? It's not enough to think positive. It is about completely changing the beliefs you have absorbed since childhood. You were taught that money is scarce, that you must work to exhaustion to earn it, and that wanting wealth is wrong. Changing this requires courage and strategic actions. For example, did you know that rich people avoid obsessing over problems and instead focus on solutions? This small change can transform your financial results. Code 2. Money seeks a clear purpose. Money does not flow to those who see it as an end in itself. It is a means to build something bigger. If you don't know what you need it for, it won't come to you. Define precisely what you want to create. Is it freedom? Impact? When you have a clear purpose, money begins to align with you. Finally, a warning. Money never stays with the weak. Wealth requires courage, discipline, and the ability to make tough decisions. If fear paralyzes you, you lose opportunities. Reflect. Are you willing to face your own fears? This is the first step towards financial mastery. Part 2. The hidden rules of the financial game. Why do some build empires while others barely survive? It's not about luck or working harder. It's about understanding the hidden rules of money. Here are 3 codes that will forever change your relationship with finances. Code 3. Money flows to value, not effort. Society glorifies effort, but working more doesn't always mean earning more. The true masters of wealth understand that money follows the impact they generate. What does this mean? If you have a unique skill or knowledge, use it to solve important problems. For example, can you help someone improve their business or their life? The more value you contribute, the more money you will attract. Shift your focus from effort to impact, and you will notice the difference. Code 4. Money follows discipline. This principle is simple but, often ignored. Financial freedom is not achieved with a large income, but by managing it wisely. Rich people assign a clear purpose to every dollar they earn. To begin with, track every penny you spend. It may seem tedious, but it will give you absolute control over your finances. Then, set clear goals. An emergency fund, strategic investments, or starting a business. Without a plan, the money disappears. Code 5. Money multiplies money. This is one of the most powerful and least understood principles. Money has the potential to grow if you invest it wisely. Saving it is not enough. You need to put it to work. Are you afraid to invest? It's normal. But remember, not investing is condemning yourself to always depend on your physical effort. Learn about assets like real estate, stocks, or even cryptocurrencies. Start small, but start. The secret is not to do it perfectly, but to take the first step. Part 3. The power of bold decisions and the mastermind. We are reaching the climax. The last 2 codes are not only transformative, but they define who achieves sustainable wealth. Code 6. Money responds to bold decisions. The life you have today is a reflection of the decisions you made yesterday. When it comes to finances, bold decisions are key. What does this mean? It means investing in yourself, even when it seems risky. It means giving up the security of the known to build something of your own. It means chasing after ideas that others think are impossible. Rich people don't let fear paralyze them. They face it and act boldly. Ask yourself, what decisions are you putting off out of fear? Money rewards those who dare. Code 7. Wealth is a team effort. No one achieves great fortune alone. The most successful visionaries understand the power of surrounding themselves with mentors and collaborators. This is the power of the mastermind, a group of people who share ideas, solve problems, and enhance each other's efforts. Surround yourself with people with similar values and goals. Look for communities where ideas flow and challenges become opportunities. Great ideas thrive in connected minds.